Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So I think Solana, is giving us a first reaction here to this support zone. I am currently on the weekly time frame, and you can see that there is a small reaction. It's really too small to be really relevant, but this is a weekly time frame, so we'll have to navigate to the smaller time frame in a minute. But good to see here some reaction to our upper support area. And there has been some impulsive movement on the local level today, but really it only affects the smaller time frame where it's very evident. It hasn't really changed anything on the weekly time frame, and the upside reaction is also not large enough to really confirm a proper upside reversal. A local low has formed, absolutely, but we were already expecting that, and we were watching for that over the weekend anyway. We have an upper support area here, which is between $118 and $138. If we break below $118, the lower support area will come into focus. It's between $90 and $81. Well, actually, it ranges down to 62, but there is an area here between 81 and 90 that we are watching, which is basically an ideal target because the 38.2 retracement is usually the ideal target for a wave 4. So if this is the orange scenario, we might see a reaction there. And if the market extends more directly, then the 100% extension target comes into focus. I find that even more important than the 38.2 retracement. And that's at $81. So 81 to 90, that's the key area to watch. Yeah. And obviously that gives us an upper support area and a lower support area. They are both relevant, and I pay attention to both. But what I'm tracking primarily at the moment is this 5-wave move down in wave C of 5. And the idea is this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, to keep it simple. And basically here I'm tracking currently a wave 4 bounce. So you'll see that on the smaller time frame. If we go to the smaller time frame, the idea is here we could be working on a wave 4. This looks big if you zoom in, but really it isn't so much. I mean, we're not even above the highs of last week. Yeah, so there is a lot of work needed. I track this as an ABC structure at the moment. That could only be the A wave, though, of the larger wave 4. Then we could get a B wave pullback and a C wave up from there. So let's first see if the market can form an ABC structure to the upside. Once this C wave is complete, the pullback should be a B wave. Ideally, it would hold a higher low again, like here. Same situation like earlier today. What did we talk about? We talked about this as an A wave. Yeah, if you receive our member updates, that was the idea. 3-wave move up. We reached resistance, got a pullback into the communicated support area, and whenever we reach these support zones, the price can of course react and start the next move up. So we're now likely working on just a larger version of what developed over the weekend. An ABC structure, but it formed just an A wave. This would be a larger ABC to form a larger A wave of a wave 4 here. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we're tracking here at the moment. Yeah, an ABC bounce. And overall, I think the next resistance area to watch, the next target range to watch is $141 to $150. This is just a standard target zone for this C wave. And again, once we get there, we'll watch for a pullback. We might reach, and there's a good chance that we might reach this yellow line around $144, $145. And we'll see if there's a reaction there, and then the pullback will be tracked from there. Just a quick update, obviously, but overall the wave 4 should extend higher if this really is a wave 4. But I said before, this cluster here, around the $145 level and that yellow line, Fibonacci cluster and structural resistance could be quite meaningful. Okay, that's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I leave a link in the comment section, but you get a lot of additional updates there as well. I'm also there to answer your questions, of course, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave a link. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.